Girl, all I'm gonna say to you is 6 months from now, or even a year from now, needs to look illegal. Again, 6 months, a year from now, needs to look illegal. Your body T, funds overflowing, skin glowing, circle totally upgraded, a real strict program. Okay? Strict program. Planner full. Okay? Organized and peace protected. And the favor of God so loud it intimidates anything that does not resonate or aligns with your visions and your plans, your desires, your dreams that God has allowed you to see. Okay? I am so over apologizing for who I am. So I have run from this space so many different times, and I'm done running from this space. I have tried to play so humble, and it's always left me feeling like I'm shrinking myself, like I'm dimming my light. And if any of this resonates for the woman who you are in this season, for the woman that you want to be in your next season, where you want your body to be T, you want to be healthy, you want to be whole, you want your peace to be protected, you want your favor to be loud and just radiate through the room, you want to have nice skin, you want to have a great body, the list goes on, just the desires of things that you suppressed for so long. This is going to be a safe space, a safe haven. We're talking about all the things healthy, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, physically, all the things. So this is a rebirth, a rebrand, okay? I'm giving myself a full, just very dedicated and consistent year. Before I go and get the tummy tuck, let's see how well and how consistent and how great I can have my body. 365 days of consistency. Resting, intentionally about resting and recovery.